unpopular view. And there me I'm for trouble me and it's normal, it's part of my job.
Yeah.
Aqua media. Let me tell you penny some that say Chief Justice ye in a But there's a reason why my family constitution nama. There's a reason why the framers of the constitution article 146 said the BBC with the processes to remove a chief justice.
Yeah.
Say, obi de subuo bi bono. Na subuo no nyina so bi wo ma ye the command council of state no magina nya so no so chief justice tin be yi ne ho ano ne ade. Akokwa hours of the belief says maame no ne waye no. Eye matters of criminality. Matters of misappropriation. Meaning say je betime nya me constitution na me or let me just use my phone. The three reasons yan kai ho the three ye onyama miensa bi ebegina so mu watimi ayi a chief justice adi. Akokwa sa na ma miensa no ka article 146 or see let me just get it for you. Yes, I have it here. Article 146 1 no. Yes, so that is yes. Akokwa me ho amon. Or see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. A justice of the superior court or a chairman of a regional tribunal shall not be removed from office except for stated misbehavior.
And it's young working screen. Or see the three yardstick and answer the 3 points and answer you so between the chief just one head stated misconduct.
Misbehavior, yeah.
Okay.
Incompetence.
Stated okay, my constitution is using the phrase. I said that miss what? Behavior.
Misbehavior.
Okay, misbehavior. And
incompetence.
Incompetence.
Or on the ground of inability to perform.
It is sickness. I say illness. Yeah, be stroke, could be BB. So the only three grounds based on Article 146, I bet the National Chief Justice. No, yes, I am and saying stated misbehavior, incompetence, and illness. Akokwa my year. A bit of analysis for you on the three petitions because of time and income. But I think largely of all the three petitions, you know, it largely borders on one stated misconduct. For example, ACP Ayanga or say, na some court, you know, Supreme Court justice, you know, and then Ankase ye or my echi ni tu. Yes, it's a cabu or the court trip. Send an so didn't wear Ninum Rakwansu and our DBA. Tell me a stated misconduct. Incompetence and should mean provisions also okay. Illness is certainly out. It's largely between the first two.
Yeah.
Now, Uzaman suspended from April. The current acting chief justice, Justice Bafuboni, and that one, my educator, but they keep repeating it. Per the provisions of Article 146, the Chief Justice, you are the most senior justice of the Supreme Court, and the actor said the acting Chief Justice. Justice Bafuboni is the most senior. Your friend to the Supreme Court in 2008. Okay. So he's there by virtue of a longevity at the apex court, not because or your NDC or your MPP or your CPP. That is the simple understanding. I always am my independent viewer. Based on the processes so far, I feel say provisions of Article 146 are buying no edition. The only part I felt a bit can say when the woman alleged send a legal representation anyhow, but still no more forces a woman meeting, you know. That one I've not heard the government almost some of the counter statement about. Also make his allegation. Kind 146 na. The 146 makes provisions or committee be as a lawyer. I can because the law of self-incrimination be a and you saw your day. Okoka. Nana, and I cook well, Jumako, me a bigger Jumako. The Bar Council of England was on the Commonwealth lawyers. That the joint statement about say. President Mahama, near Mana warrior, no one in nothing.
Yeah.
Entino, almost the Omubenya. Omunyai process, and I cook my maker go see. The existence of an independent and impartial judiciary is one of the cardinal features and bedrock of any country governed by the rule of law. And Ghana for several years displayed a strong commitment to the rule of law. By virtue of its membership to the Commonwealth, Ghana is committed to shared fundamental values and principles of the common, including crucially maintenance of independent and impartial judiciary. Ghana is a part of the Commonwealth. Why is Ghana part of the Commonwealth? Because we are a former colony of the UK.
Right.
And England, I got what here.
Right.
It would make a share from myself because I had mentioned from Moda.
Yeah.
It's a can share from myself, Octimikabi. It's a Commonwealth first to Mika Ghana same because Ghana is part of the Commonwealth. Now, what I say, the Commonwealth Charter is clear in its statement on this issue. Ghana is, of course, a full signatory to that charter. We support an independent, impartial, honest, and competent judiciary and recognize that an independent, effective, and competent legal system is integral to upholding the rule of law. The Commonwealth principle on account of quote provisions are common for the Edma Ghana assign since we have a fast provision so the Edma.
Yeah.
Now, almost say, almost concern say, with present concern, we therefore call on President Mahama and the executive government of Ghana to one, immediately and without delay, reinstate the Chief Justice of Ghana to her office, consistent with both and head out to strong attachment to the rule of law demonstrated by Ghana and also the constitutional duties incumbent upon them. Allow the Chief Justice due and fair process in the investigation and determination of the disciplinary matters brought against her, including but not limited to full transparent access to the process by a legal representative. And do something can say. Maame no accusation by say baby near send the lawyers who crown one case. I no say come for now pretty it I was not fabricating. It is a fact according to the Commonwealth. Obviously, President Mama reinstate Chief Justice. No man adwuma, but process no enkoso. Ba akokwa, baby kakra me so many we disagree ni say. Article 14610 no. Ne President Mama ye no. It is not against the Constitution.
Yeah.
14610 no, gives the president the opportunity to sign a warrant to suspend the Chief Justice until the committee ni be wie na adwuma. Akwati, honestly. Attorney General so respond the 3-page or time as soon or guest number. Akokwa me only issues with Article 146 process no any one. Akwa me dwen say me menya sa ono ane colleagues na betena asem ne so no because Article 146 a 5-member committee no e say at least 2 justices of the Supreme Court omo maka na nya so omo ye mrenimfo enya so omo ye MPs. Akwa me menya yemfa former justice of the Supreme Court akokwa imanye sa wasema ba na me you say to me ne kwaje janto ane Bernard and ekotran wasem so it's a bit checked.
Yeah,
you bet me the former justice of the Supreme Court and I say be other entity be our mon shada ni stake in the matter. Akwa another issue ba kwa me what issue kakra ne say okay ACP akologo na asem na chore afia ono koto asase wo takrade.
Yeah,
na koto asase no abara no to asase no na ne mprane obroni bi ana oto beachfront property no to beachfront property asem no court takrade be Supreme Court ni ane say obroni ni say signature na what documents ne say nya ne dia ana police ni no so ya lawyer we senior lawyer e say sa signature no document ni fa brechire by na allegedly no okọ verify sa signature ni no ana nti ono de onyi ni se watokro no ade na Supreme Court ebo na asem ni gu ye say onfo broni na sa asem no oba no na ne mpra da no edi frodo no. This is summary of the matter. Tema o allege say Supreme Court justice and as the Chief Justice Madam Gov't kon ma ye che ne court mu so obetietie mu court ya charge no kodam mu kakra ne ade no. The current chairman of this process, Article 146, Justice Poamai. Not Justice Poamai, I was our committee, I was our sitting as a panel. It's a quaqua. On also petition county, a cofra dance here. How would the chairman, who was privy to what happened at the courtroom, testify? How can I make that here? Here, you are poyanda bar, or bar sent to KBSC, a quaqua na host. In Chevron committee, say, just a man, I walk one as I chairman. Na rapoyand of forward dancing in what capacity? Etina me menya the current justice of the Supreme Court should serve on an Article 146 process. That's where I'm coming from. Na kokwa menya I say me Felicia matters and me kanya me who petition. Some of them to me are frivolous. Some of them have grounds. Kokwa me menya sa secrecy dey woman ye yimfrim. Nanka ye nya no public. Because me between President Mahama and Madam Gov't Tokonunu, one petition leaky ye in the public. So these are my observations. 3.
Okay.
Menka say, come on for the BIM. I'm only says I disagree with some provisions of them.
Yeah.
Nyam no me adwene sa maame no ye ma ni full representation. Akokwa sabi obi a waku ni pakra.
Yeah.
O man na hwese obenya legal representation in court.
But has it been said they don't want her lawyer to appear and answer saying it?
The challenge is that the government don't have process no. On person be who say so no na e person yi ma me free go. A Council of State in Article 146 process no. Enti ma me make allegation a fellas be respond there to me if you some way. Committee ni so ntimi mekasa. So that's what I'm saying, that the whole Article 146 process, if you first time I experience it, we need to in the fourth Republican dispensation, we need to have a certain review of the process. For example, say my many because of no committee no obi me anu nufua. Committee members, do you honestly think they can speak to this matter? It will have to take Felix Kwacho for the government. The government is not in the committee meetings. So it's checked. Even allegation make it and for be a kunu baby on committee process no. Bia na buying him. But you see, in the minds of the people, it can be said, be a person intimidating. No? So that's what I'm saying, that we make the process they fair. Mame. Yes, I don't have 5 city near day, ma'am. Oko J20, 15, ready. Obi him say, I want as a police for them in comment. Okay. I want me believe say when we are transparent on some of these matters, the noise will be there. But to be yet discerning mind, the be a bit me the fact from the untruth. But that is where the gossips and the rumors start. It's media so far processing in ano. The just say abang I fair to my man. The only part I'm again saying the lawyer legal representative Shenka. Lord Jenson Moye process and so Shana one abia I bad memories for her. Ghana, you baby be you are dying be brainy a day. Ye me. Na yenye. But my men also no by a petition be akokwa no so is an against Article 146 of the Constitution say. And can the process yen twane me TV so. Article 146 is against us. If Article 140 process na no, we only can in camera. Just say ye ne dem ma bonting. Akokwa, this will be my submission for you.
May I see you say to the fact checker no and